let's see how you can create your first Proton username. So you go to the Play Store or App Store if you're on iOS. You install the WebAuth application and you open it, of course. And just make sure that on the top right corner here, Proton is selected. By default, it should be selected. And if it's selected, that's perfect. You are on the main blockchain, on the live blockchain, okay? Very important. Do not be on the testnet, be on Proton, okay? Now you click sign up and you choose a username. This is your username that you will use for the pre-sale, okay? And you will use after that as well. Okay, so I will just say test, and I guess, I don't know, 444. Let's see. Okay, it's available. Awesome. So continue, and this is your public test name. Sorry, it's your public name. It's test for me. Okay. And you will type here probably your full name or just your pronoun or whatever you want here. You can change this later in the profile settings, and continue. And this next step here, it's very, very important that you save this. I will screenshot this, but please do not keep this on your phone. Keep this in an if you keep it on your phone or in any digital storage space in the cloud somewhere, please keep it encrypted with a password or something, and please type or print this in multiple pieces of paper, and keep them in a safe place somewhere where you can access it for years to come after this. If you want to check your investment and to be able to recover your account, make sure these words are stored somewhere. And also the secret key that you can reveal in the settings after you make your account, also keep that in a safe place and store it in a safe place. Okay, now I will open let's see, I will open the picture here. Let's see, the first 4 words are require, victory, post, follow. Okay, so sorry, let's go back to here. I will continue. You have to enter your PIN. The application will ask for the PIN. You can also enable biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID later. Let's go back and let's see, require, victory, post, follow. Okay, require, victory, post, and follow. Then wing, aware, glue, and boat. And then the last line, buyer, raise your honey, buyer, raise your honey, and the last one, and continue. And now I will enter an email address. This is a page, a website where you can generate a temporary email address. I use this for testing purposes often. Okay, and now my inbox is ready, and I can copy my email and paste it here and give it to the Proton team. Okay, sorry about this. I think it didn't copy well. Okay, let's try it again. Now we have it. The Proton team will not use this for spamming you. It's just for essential communication, I guess. And now I have to check the email. So I'm just copying this, paste it here, and confirm. Okay, that was it. Now we have the account.